Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this really easy springtime look just using one palette and a lot of affordable products. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. I'm setting my eyelids with MAC's Paint Pot in Layin Low. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to set that with the lightest shade in my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. Today's palette, we are going to use the Morphe 350, and I'm going to apply this shade right here on my brow bone. I like applying my brow bone color first. And I'm just using a flat brush. This is a no-name brush, and I'm just pushing in that product. Now going in, I am going to mix these two shadows right here, and I'm going to pop that into the crease. And I'm using a Morphe M441 brush. So I'm adding a little bit more of the orange one. So moving in, I'm gonna use this color right here. And I'm using the same brush, and I'm using just a very small amount. I just want to build the orange tones. And I'm bringing it a little close, like a little tighter into the crease. Okay, so now we're going to get in a little tighter, and I think I will use this color right here. Actually, I'm going to mix this color and this color. Just a very, very small amount. I'm going to bring this tighter. I'm just really buffing this color in. And using a very light hand, I'm just gonna lightly dust that onto the lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with this color, this color right here, using the same brush. I've still been using the same brush. I'm just going to blend all of this in. Because it's such a light shade, it's just gonna diffuse all of the colors. And I'm not putting a lot of pressure, I'm just gently dusting this. You want all of the shadows to blend together seamlessly. So now on the lids, I'm gonna just use a little flat brush. I'm gonna mix this color with this color. I'm just gonna put the smallest amount, mix it, and just push that in. You wanna just really keep this color onto the lid. And then going in with the same fluffy brush, I'm not adding any additional product. I'm just blending this out. So now we're gonna work on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna start with the lightest, well, one of the lightest colors. I'm gonna start with this color first. And I'm gonna bring that in pretty close and all the way in. I'm just gonna buff this color across the lower lash line. Then mixing this color and this color, I'm gonna buff that in also, but I'm gonna bring that a little closer. Using the same brush, I actually cleaned it off. I'm gonna go in with this color right here Take a very small amount because I just want to blend the edges. This is how you get a very blended look. So I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M441 brush. I put no additional product. I actually tried rubbing some of this off because I just want to blend everything one final time. So now that I'm looking at it, I'm not too happy with the color on my lids. So I decided to go in with a more golder color. And I'm using the same brush I used to pack on that lid color. And I'm just going to push that in. I like that more. Sorry, I forgot to hit the record button. I added a little bit of Max Teddy in my waterline, and I'm just going to add a very small amount on the top of my eyelids, but I'm not going to wing it out. Instead, I'm just going to add a small amount, and I'm going to smudge it into my lashes just to make them look thicker. Okay, so since this is more of a spring look, I decided to try a little bit of blush today. And in one of my previous Ipsy bags, I received the OFRA blush Chameleon. Okay, so I like the way the blush looks. I'm also going to go in with the Shayla times Colourpop highlighter in Boomin. I'm going to add a little bit of the same highlighter in my inner tear ducts. So for the lips, you can use a nude, a pink, a peach, just lip gloss, whatever you want. I'm going to use my BFF2 lip liner from Colourpop, and I'm going to use the Makeup by Shayla and Colourpop collaboration in the shade Quickie. So this is the completed look. I decided to use the Morphe 350 palette, not only because the quality is amazing and the colors are great, but it's also an affordable palette, and I know a lot of people already own that. So I just wanted to make this really easy for you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.